Good morning, children. Children, today we will do the same thing. Actually, we will practice whatever we have done in the last literacy class. In the last literacy class, we have two words, two-letter words. For example, add. We add plus at. We make hat. We add k plus at cat. इन दिस वे वी मेक वर्ड्स. जो वावल थ्री लेटर वर्ड्स हमने सीखा था वही वावल थ्री लेटर वर्ड्स को हमने ऐड किया, मतलब कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ लास्ट टू साउंड्स को ऐड करके हमने न्यू वर्ड्स बनाए. सेम थिंग वी विल डू इन माई आवर फोनिक बुक. सो फर्स्ट वी विल रीड द वर्ड्स, देन वी विल डू सम writing practice work. So, first, what is the picture of this? This is a pen. So, what is the first sound? Beginning sound, P. See, P plus N. Pen. What is this? Men. Because here, three man is standing. So, it is men. Men. What is the beginning sound? And men. Bed. Now what is this? Red color. What is the first sound of red? Red. P and pan. B and van. J am jam. Y am yum. Now, what is the difference between today's practice work and last practice work? Last practice work में हम लोगों ने जैसे एन ले लिया. सो एन वॉज इन मिडिल और सारे कॉन्सोनेंट उसके आसपास थे, तो एक एक कॉन्सोनेंट हमने एन के साथ जोड़ा और हमने न्यू वर्ड्स बनाए. यहाँ पे पिक्चर ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज गिवन. हमने कॉन्सोनेंट और लास्ट टू साउंड्स को अलग लिखा और फिर एक साथ पिक्चर की जो नेम है वो बनाया. देखो, प एन, प को अलग लिखा, एन को अलग लिखा. पेन. म एन मैन. म एन मैन. ब एड बेड. r एड रेड. p एंड पैन. v एंड वैन. j am jam. y am yum. In last literacy work which we have done in our literacy skill sheet book, वहाँ पे no pictures were given, only we have make the words. Now again I will take another color and t up top. M up mop. K odd cod. Children, cod is one kind of fish. Okay. R odd rod. B ib bib. N ib nib. P in pin. B in bin. So here, according to the picture, we add the consonant sound with the last two sounds and make the name of the picture. Okay. Now children, it's time to some written work. What is this? Cub. Cub. So what is the beginning sound? K. So we have to, and who says K? C. So we have to write C. See? C plus ab, cub. What is this? Bin. B. Write B here. B plus in bin. Do one thing, I have written, I will show you that page because with brush it is very difficult. See, I have written C. Why? K-ab, cub. B in bin. What is this, children? Bug. So what is the beginning sound? B. See, I have written B. Ugh, bug. What is this? Den. The house of lion and tiger. D-N. Den. What is this? Bed. Ed. Bed. What is this? नीब. अब बोलोगे मैम ये पेन है. नहीं बच्चा, पेन जो है वो हम लोगों ने लास्ट पिक्चर में देखा था. यहाँ पे ओनली दिस इज नीब. दिस इज नीब. पेन के जो पोर्शंस हम लिखते हैं ना, एकदम शार्प टिप जो है पेन का, दैट इज कॉल्ड निब. 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 So what you have to do is, see here the every beginning sound is missing. You have to write the beginning sign. How you will write? You have to recognize the picture and you have to listen to the beginning sound and then pasting the correct phonic letter sticker. Now you will ask me, ma'am, where it is? It is in your book. It is in your book. In the last page it is there. स्टिकर, मैम ने स्टिकर नहीं लगाया, मैम ने लिखा है. यू हैव टू स्टिक द लेटर. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू नो चिल्ड्रन, first you recognize the picture. For example, you see this picture. This is cup. First picture is cup. What is the first sound? C. So write C here. Okay, write C. Don't stick the paste the letter sticker. Then go to the next picture. What is that? Bin. So what is the beginning sound? B. So write, who makes sounds B? B. First write the beginning sound. Then bug. B. Write B. Den. D. D. Bed. B. B. Nib. N. Plus ib. लिख लिया. Then you go and take one by one sticker and put. If C sticker, put on C place. B sticker, put on B place. Understood? That's why ma'am has written first, but sticker you have to stick. स्टिकर आपके बुक्स के लास्ट पेज में है, उसमें से आपको लेके लिख लगाना है. पर पहले लिख लो फिर लगाओ. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ फिनिश योर वर्क. टिल देन गुड.